And I was Parker here. Today I want to show you my process video on how I created my pink and purple junk journal. So here I'm showing you the 3 sides. So this is the front cover, which is pink. And this is the middle part, which is with the stitches. And the back cover, which is purple. Started with a cereal box that I taped to make sure that it was strong enough to hold my signatures. So I put tape all over it, and I covered it with my Damask pattern bundle paper pack in vintage rose and my background and tiles paper pack vintage blush. So I was just covering the inside part of the junk journal and just trying to work out which bit would be glued at the back and which one wouldn't. So it's quite an easy process to do. It's very simple. You know, within an hour you can create a junk journal. So it doesn't take long and it's quite fun actually. So here's how I made the vintage paper. I collected orange peels and onions, and if you wish to see how I made it, just let me know and I will create a video for you. I covered the paper with it for a day. So the paper looks so scruffy and stained that I had to cover it and decorate it. So I made the holes for the binding and I attached it together. I had to follow a few videos to work out how to do it, but it's quite simple, I have to say. You know, it's just a couple of holes at the top, in the middle, and towards the end, in the inside, and it's very easy. I just use a thread needle to do that. It's very simple. So here I'm showing you what I did. So I had to do all the measurement, make sure they were centered. Okay, and it's going to be 3 signatures, but I didn't finish. I need to do 2 more for the middle part. But I just wanted to show you quickly what it looks like. This is the back. This is the part you're going to see. So I'll try to make sure that it's kind of neat. And I started creating some little pockets on the inside of the back of my junk journal. So yes, it's kind of bouncy, you know, because it's just been made, but it looks nice. It looks nice, I have to say, you know. And I decorated all the parts at the back, and I used the damask pattern in vintage purple for the back, and I'm quite pleased. I have to say that is I'm quite happy with this junk journal. So I can only advise you to create one yourself. Yeah. So in this video you will see the end part, what it looks like now, and what I did with the inside of the junk journal. But I just wanted to show you the process quickly. It's simple. So here I've created some tuck pockets. I wanted to show you the inside and the outside, and I've got some scrap paper that I keep for my projects. And here at the back I've got a tag, and I've got some string for my signatures, and here more pictures. And at the front we've got some lace pockets as well that I've created. As you can see at the back there's 2 as well. I love lace. I love using lace. So here's the front cover, the front of my junk journal, the inside, and you can see that the cover of my signature is decorated. I could not leave it bare. It wasn't too much. It was too much. And some pages got torn while I removed them from the dish, so it kind of stained. Some got even in print of the onion peels, and I've done some butterfly marking as well. I used some butterfly to just make some imprints, and I was just experimenting, and I just highlighted them with my pink metallic paint, my metallic watercolor paint. So here, more marking is it looks untidy to me. I'm not used to that, but I start to love it. I start to enjoy, you know, using it, and the more I look at it, the more I enjoy it. But I'm not used to that. I just wanted to create a junk journal and see. But when it's something that you made yourself, it's got to give you a different feeling to it. So I just love my little pink and purple junk journal now. And yeah, those pages are getting used to them. And yeah, it's even torn at the on the side, and more leaves marking as well here, more butterflies, and yeah. I just wanted to make a separation and to separate the pages. That's why I colored it all in pink. I need to add some purple to my journal. But I have to say, it looks kind of glum the first time when there was nothing in it, Yeah, onion imprint. Yeah, whenever I go, I use pink or purple. I just do any marking on it. That's going to be my background. And that's the back of the signature that I decorated as well. And all was decorated with my metallic paint in pink. I wanted the pages to stand out. I really love it now. It's just so cute. It's like a junk journal. It's a bit like a secret journal. You just put all your little bits in it. It's just you and the journal. So I love this. So I just advise you, create yours, make yours the way you want it. It's the best feeling, and I can't wait to show you what I did with the first page of my signature. So every time I get a chance, I will be videotaping my creations, or whatever I put inside my junk journal. Yeah. So I'm proud of myself, so I hope you're going to do yours. And yes, feel free to send me pics. I just can't wait to see yours. I put all the links in the description below, and tag me your junk journal picture on social media at Rose Parker Anna. Subscribe so I can share more videos with you, and so you can find out what will be inside my signatures. I'll see you in the next video.